Skin the cat is a great entry-level skill to help us condition our shoulders, and in terms of the application, it's quite obvious to see how skin the cat can aid us with leveling up our back lever and front lever work. But because so many bodyweight movements rely on us having strong mobile shoulders, skin the cat also has great global benefits for other calisthenics skills too. So here's a quick skin the cat tutorial for beginners. The setup is very simple. We can use rings or a bar, but if you are doing this for the first time, I would recommend rings. A, so that our wrists have the fluidity to move around a bit, and B, so that we can set them up closer to the ground if we need to. Get into this tucked dead hang position, feet off the floor, and pull our shoulders into this active hang, so shoulders down and back. From here, we aim to pull our knees tight to our chest and then drive them up between the arms, which we want to aim to keep straight. Once our knees are through, we can hold this flat back position, which is essentially a tuck back lever. Or if our shoulders allow it, we can sink into this deeper position known as the German hang. And for context on the difference between the German hang and skin the cat, because I know the question will be asked, the German hang is solely this static position, whereas skin the cat is the movement in and out of the German hang. Regressing skin the cat can make this movement a little bit more manageable, and when pulling out of this dead hang, if we find this to be tricky, we could hop up from the ground instead. Also, the demands on the shoulder, particularly once we get the knees through the arms, may be significant. So we can grab a resistance band in each hand and use it to assist us as we lower into that German hang position. In terms of skin the cat progressions, we can make this exercise a little bit more specific towards our lever training by starting in a tuck front lever and moving from here to a tuck back lever and doing this for reps. This progression not only keeps tension in the shoulders for a longer period of time than the standard skin the cat, but allows us to develop highly transferable strength to two skills in a way that is scalable as we become stronger over time. And for completeness, as an example of how I use skin the cat in my own training, I would use skin the cat in my warm-up, again making use of the straight arm and shoulder mobilization benefits. Then, after my workout, once I'm already warm, and where I look to use longer static holds to build up long-term mobility, we could move into the German hang and sit in this position for a longer time, say for example 30 seconds to a minute. Use skin the cat to your advantage, crowd, and if you want to level up your levers even more, check out these videos right here.